Are you considering solar energy for your business, factory, or commercial facility? Are you worried about the financial costs? Worry not. Megapower has you covered. We offer 3 flexible financial models to suit your needs. First up is the outright purchase option. With this model, clients fully fund the project upfront, leading to immediate savings with no payments over time. Second is the Lease-to-Own Agreement, where we install the solar system at zero or minimal upfront costs. Then throughout the agreed lease period, you make monthly installments and eventually own the system. And finally, the Power Purchase Agreement, PPA. With this option, you can benefit from a solar system installed at zero initial investment. You then purchase the generated power at a predefined rate lower than the grid rate. No matter your financial situation, Megapower has a solution for you. Contact us today to explore how you can join the solar revolution and start saving money while saving the planet.